Designers love to hide things. We think that if we tuck a bunch of a text behind a click, the UI will look cleaner. But here is the harsh reality. Clean UI does not always equal good UX. Hiding the wrong content can absolutely kill your conversion rate. Today, in episode 23 of our 100 UI UX concept series, we are setting the debate. When to use the tabs and when do you use accordions? Let's stop guessing and look at the science. Let's start with tabs. Tabs are horizontal, they are designed for a parallel content. You use them when a user needs to quickly swap between different views of the same context without losing their place. Think of a dashboard. You have a tab for daily metrics and another for weekly metrics. The user wants to flip back and forth to compare them. Tabs do not shift the page layout, they just change the channel. Now, accordions. Accordions are vertical. They are designed for progressive disclosure. You use them for sequential reading or when a user only cares about one specific piece of information in a long list, like an FAQ page. You don't want to read 20 answers. You only want to read the one that solves your specific problem. But be careful. Accordions cause a layout shift. When you open one, it pushes everything else down the page. Here is the senior level deep dive for 2026. Interaction cost. Every time you force a user to click to reveal content, you are spending their energy. If the content is critical to making a purchase decision like shipping costs or a refund policies, do not hide it inside a tab or an accordion. Put it right on the screen. Out of sight literally means out of mind. Users will not hunt for information. If they don't see it, they assume it doesn't exist. Here is the strategist pro tip. The responsive flip. Tabs look great on a wide desktop, but they completely fail on mobile screens. They get cramped and users accidentally click the wrong one. The standard practice: convert your desktop tabs into mobile accordions. I actually just built this exact responsive logic into the code for a new SaaS and a beauty website templates I'm launching. You can see how the components adapt perfectly by checking out the live demos over at my website sindura.org. Clean design is good, but clear design is profitable. That was episode 23 of 100 UI UX concepts. In the next episode, we are looking at breadcrumbs, the UI element that saves users from hitting the dreaded back button. Subscribe to the 100 UI UX concepts journey and let me know in the comments, are you a team tab or team accordion? See you next time. Bye bye.